Was your last chat with a bot? You're not alone. AI is flooding our conversations, and while some boost productivity, most are just noise. So how do you know which one's right for you? To answer that, I tested 15 tools and verified my findings with G2 reviews, narrowing it down to the 7 best AI chatbots. The first one is ChatGPT, best for general-purpose AI tasks. I've used it for everything from writing and brainstorming to data analysis and coding, and it handles it all smoothly. I like that it remembers context, supports custom instructions, and even works with videos and CSVs. But here's the catch. Sometimes its answers feel generic, and it can be confidently wrong, something I've noticed and G2 reviewers echo. Many advanced features are also locked behind the paid plan. Still, for a free tool, ChatGPT sets the bar high, versatile, easy to use, and a go-to for millions. Second is Claude, great for creative writing and natural conversation. Compared to other chatbots, it feels more natural and thoughtful, matching my tone and style. One standout feature is Claude Artifacts, which lets you build and share small tools or content. It feels more interactive than plain text. You can design mini calculators, planners, even lightweight apps. That said, it can slow down and hit usage caps, sometimes downgrading the model mid-chat. I noticed this myself, and G2 reviewers mention it too, noting that the free plan can feel limiting. Even so, for creativity and long-form conversations that feel human, Claude is hard to beat. Third is Gemini. Ideal if you live inside Google's ecosystem. What impressed me most was how it connects directly to Google Search and clearly marks which parts of an answer are sourced. Those green and orange highlights instantly showed me what I could trust and what to double-check. That level of transparency makes it a powerful tool for research. I also liked the free image generation and how fast Gemini Flash responds. On the flip side, customization feels limited unless you carefully craft prompts. G2 reviewers note the same, adding that advanced features like stronger models and richer file handling sit behind the paid plan. Nevertheless, for quick, accurate, up-to-date answers, Gemini is one of the best options out there. Number 4 is Gleen AI, formerly Gleen AI, a go-to for building support bots. It was easy to pull in data from Slack, Notion, or Shopify to train a bot around it. The dashboard was another highlight, with clear metrics on chats, response times, and feedback, perfect for scaling support. The catch? Performance depends on solid documentation. I saw this myself, and G2 reviewers back it up, plus the free plan is limited and upgrades can get pricey for smaller teams. Even so, if you want faster responses and branded bots, Gleen AI is a strong choice. At 5, we have Google Cloud Dialogflow, perfect for deep, cross-channel control. Once I got the hang of it, I really liked how flexible it was. You can build bots for web, mobile, voice, and messaging platforms, and the pre-built templates make getting started faster. I also like that it supports text and audio in multiple languages, a big plus for global use. The downside is the steep learning curve. I struggled with intents and entities, and even after learning them the platform felt heavy at times. G2 reviewers say the same, citing limited template customization and unclear docs. But, once you're past that, Dialogflow gives developers and technical teams impressive control. Sixth is Kore.ai, best for when you need enterprise-grade virtual assistants with polish. The setup was intuitive, guiding me step by step with plenty of customization. What stood out was its flexibility. I could train it on docs or site links, fine-tune conversations, and even connect my own LLM with API keys. The pre-built bots and third-party integrations make it powerful right out of the box. Fine-tuning was the challenge. It took extra effort, and I noticed lag when running multiple processes. G2 reviewers report the same, noting that non-technical teams may need support and the platform can slow under heavy workloads. Still, once set up, Kore.ai delivers a powerful, customizable solution for enterprises building advanced virtual assistants. And finally, Microsoft Copilot, perfect for quick chat without any setup. What I liked about Copilot is how effortless it feels. I could start chatting right in the browser without even signing in. Every answer came with sources, so I knew what to trust. But it works best inside Microsoft 365, helping me draft emails, summarize meetings, and analyze spreadsheets right in my workflow. However, the free plan hits limits fast, with fewer file uploads and less flexibility. G2 reviewers mention the same, adding that long sessions can get repetitive and the browser version often resets context. Regardless, for quick, everyday tasks, especially if you're in Microsoft's ecosystem, Copilot is one of the easiest chatbots to jump into. So that's my list, 7 chatbots that pretty much cover it all. ChatGPT if you want an all-rounder, Claude for creative writing, Gemini for real-time research, Gleen AI for customer support, Dialogflow and Kore.ai for enterprise needs, and Copilot for quick, everyday help. Subscribe for more tool roundups. And if you want the full G2 write-up, check the link in the description.